Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Shimano Curado Baitcasting Fishing Reel. The Curado DC Low Profile Reel is the most advanced of all Curado models. Augmented with Shimano's all-new digital control braking system that builds on the Curado's legacy of durability, dependability, and versatility. Shimano's new digital control braking system utilizes a microcomputer to monitor spool speed 1,000 times every second and apply the perfect amount of brake to prevent backlash and maximize distance. Anglers of all skill levels will appreciate less thumbing and trouble-free casting no matter the lure or the weather conditions. The 4 easy adjustments on the side plate allow the brakes to be adjusted to your preferred setting, letting the reel do the work. The micro-module gear system creates a smooth retrieve. The new gear set makes use of smaller teeth and more of them. This means that there are more contact points between the drive gear and pinion gear. The result is a more efficient gear train with less gear feel. Our second best baitcasting spinning reels is Lew's Hyper Mag Baitcast Reel. It's a super lightweight, very easy to palm even in my not large hands. Great handle for easy control. I do use mine mainly for flipping, so can't really comment on long range casting. Externally adjustable 4-pin, 27 position, speed cast adjustable centrifugal braking system. Exclusive patented speed dial line indicator and patented speed keeper hook keeper. Double shielded stainless steel ball bearings and 0 reverse one-way clutch bearing. Hard anodized aluminum allows speed gears cut with precision to ensure longer gear life. The Hyper Mag Baitcaster has a one-piece magnesium frame, C45 carbon side plates and premium 11 bearing system with double shielded stainless bearings and 0 reverse anti-reverse clutch bearing. Gears are hard anodized aluminum alloy. The reel's compact size is made possible by the reel's innovative 32mm aircraft-grade duralumin U-shaped spool that starts and accelerates faster than large spools. It handles light line and lures better than traditional size baitcasters without compromising power and performance, so it can also handle all other bass fishing techniques. For details, let's watch more. Third choice in our list is Abu Garcia Revo Fishing Reel. This baitcast low-profile reel also features the X2 Craftic alloy frame, which provides a strong yet lightweight frame, a rigid base for high drag pressures, and an increased corrosion resistance. The extended 90mm handle with oversized PVC knobs gives more leverage and allows you to fish much more comfortably throughout the day. The Revo SX comes equipped with a PowerStack carbon matrix drag system that allows for a very smooth, consistent pressure across the entire drag range with a max drag of up to 24 pounds to stop any fish. A thicker carbon washer also extends drag durability and performance. The Onfini brake system in this fishing reel is a combination of a centrifugal brake that controls the first half of the case and a magnetic brake that controls the second half of the case. This dual braking system allows for a wide range of adjustments to suit any style of bait. Instant anti-reverse feature is available. Number 4 in our side is Lew's Tournament Baitcast Reel. Really nice reel for the money. I coupled it with a 6 feet 8 inch medium action Falcon rod and have been using it for crankbaits and jerkbaits. Completely satisfied. Externally adjustable multi-setting brake dual cast control system utilizing both an external click dial for setting the magnetic brake, plus 4 individually disengaging, disc-mounted internal brake shoes that operate on centrifugal force. Hard anodized aluminum speed gears, cut on precision Humai CNC gear hobbing machines and speed keeper hook keeper. P2 super pinion bearing supported pinion gear provides precise alignment and solid stability, resulting in smoother operation and extended gear life. Let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best baitcasting spinning reels list is Lew's Tournament Pro Baitcasting Spinning Reels. This reel looks good, casts on par with most bait casters but with less backlashes. The drag is strong enough to catch any monster that resides in your lake. The grips are slip resistant when wet, but I don't find them as comfortable as most of the other reels I have used. That being said, they feel like they can really handle the abuse of heavy power fishing or abusive bank fishing. My favorite part about the reel that makes it outshine any others I have had is the centrifugal braking system that can be adjusted from outside the reel. This feature is great and the reel only backlashes. Premium 11 bearing system with stainless steel double shielded ball bearings and 0 reverse one-way clutch bearing. High strength solid brass speed gears, cut on precision Humai CNC machines. The ACB system puts you in control of your casts, perfectly aligning brake power to conditions. Double anodized aluminum spool tension adjustment with speed dial line indicator. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.